Setting up an LLC for an online and small business is a smart move. This type of business structure protects the personal assets of the owners from any liabilities incurred by the business, making it a secure choice for entrepreneurs. An LLC also adds to the business's legitimacy and credibility, potentially attracting more customers and investors. Overall, setting up an LLC for an online small business is an excellent way to mitigate personal risk while increasing credibility and flexibility. Let's discuss the benefits of setting up an LLC for online and small business. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the main benefits of setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for your online or small business is that it provides limited liability protection to the owners. This means that the personal assets of the owners, such as their homes, cars, and personal bank accounts, are generally protected from any lawsuits or other liabilities that may arise from the business. If the business were to face legal action or bankruptcy, the LLC would be liable for the debts, not the owners. 2. Tax benefits. Another benefit of setting up an LLC is that it offers tax flexibility. LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, which means that the business profits are only taxed once as personal income for the owners, avoiding double taxation that can occur with corporations. Additionally, LLCs can choose to be taxed as an S corporation, which allows the owners to receive a salary and distribution, which can reduce self-employment taxes. 3. Professional image. Setting up an LLC can also add a level of professionalism to your business. LLCs are recognized as a separate legal entity from their owners and often appear more credible to customers, vendors, and investors. This can help with attracting new customers, securing financing, and building a reputable brand. 4. Flexible management structure. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of management structure. They can be managed by the owners, member-managed, or by appointed managers, manager-managed, allowing for a more organized and efficient way to run your business. This can help streamline decision-making and prevent potential conflicts among owners. 5. Ease of formation. Forming an LLC is relatively easy compared to other business structures. It requires less paperwork and legal formalities, and in most states, it can be done online. LLCs also have fewer ongoing compliance requirements than corporations, which can save time and money for small business owners. Now that we've discussed the benefits of forming an LLC for online and small business, let's look at the steps involved in setting up an LLC for your business. Step 1. Choose a business name. The first step in setting up an LLC is to choose a name for your business. The name should be unique, easy to remember, and not already taken by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your chosen name through your state's business entity search tool. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business entity that is designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is registered, and be available during normal business hours. You can choose to be the registered agent yourself or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File articles of organization. The articles of organization are the legal documents required to form an LLC. They are filed with the Secretary of State or similar agency in the state where the LLC is located. The articles of organization typically require basic information such as the LLC's name, registered agent, management structure, and the names and addresses of the LLC's owners. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It is not required in all states but is highly recommended as it can help prevent potential disputes among the owners. The operating agreement should include information such as the management structure, ownership percentages, decision-making processes, and profit distribution. Step 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are running, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits to operate legally. This can include state and local business licenses, tax registrations, and industry-specific permits. Check with your state and local government agencies to determine which licenses and permits are required for your business. Step 6. Apply for an EIN. An EIN, Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number that is assigned to your business by the IRS for tax purposes. It is similar to a social security number for your business. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Opening a separate bank account for your business is important for keeping your personal and business finances separate. This can also help with tracking income and expenses, making it easier to file taxes and manage cash flow. You will need to provide your EIN and LLC paperwork when opening the account. Step 8. File annual reports. Most states require LLCs to file annual reports or other ongoing compliance documents. These reports typically include basic information about the LLC's ownership and business activities. Check with your state's Secretary of State or similar agency for specific requirements. Step 9. Consult with an attorney or accountant. While setting up an LLC is relatively easy, it's important to consult with an attorney or accountant to ensure that you are taking all necessary steps to protect yourself and your business. They can also help with ongoing compliance and tax planning. In conclusion, setting up an LLC for your online or small business offers several benefits, including limited liability protection, tax flexibility, a professional image, and a flexible management structure. By following these steps, you can establish a legal and professional business entity that can help protect your personal assets and support the growth and success of your business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.